Hey Geography, how's it going? Welcome to my kitchen slash dining room. Today we're gonna get away from geography a little bit. You will have an assignment, it will be just a little bit different. We started up Africa, you did your Africa scavenger hunt last week. But last week we also learned that we will not be seeing each other in person for the rest of the year, which we kind of expected, but I was holding out hope that I'd get to see you guys again. And I'm really sad about it. In my 8th grade class, this is the last year that I, actually have you guys in class, at least as of now, unless I happen to later on down the road teach something when you get older. But as of now, it's probably the last time that I'll actually have you guys as students in my class, which makes me sad because this 8th grade group I really felt really connected with, and I'm going to miss you guys a lot. I love joking around with you guys. I loved seeing you guys every day, and that's the thing that I miss the most out of this whole quarantine is just seeing your faces, hearing your voices, talking to you guys each day. So today, what I'm going to ask you guys to do is going away from geography, just not even thinking about school anymore. What I really want you to do is in your assignment folder here today, there'll be a spot for where it says upload videos here. And what I want you to do is give me a video or send me a video in that assignment folder there. You can upload it just by going in there and take a video on your iPad. You'll click a submit assignment or submit something to assignment. Hit the little plus and you'll hit the camera button and you should be able to pull up your video and submit it to that folder. I just want you to basically show me your face, let me hear your voice, tell me what you've been up to during quarantine or during this distance learning period. If you got projects that you've been doing around the house, if you've been playing video games, someplace that you like to hang out, just tell me what you've been doing. I just want to kind of see you guys and hear you guys. This is an assignment because I do want to see you guys a lot, so I am making it a required assignment. 2 requirements for the video is that you show me your face and that you tell me what you've been up to so I can hear your voice again. Just please do it so I can see you. It'll lift my spirits a little bit. I'll do an example here myself for you guys. You don't have to do anything long like I'm going to do, but just a few things that I'm going to tell you that I've been up to during this distance learning period. But first, before I do that, I'm going to go grab a sweatshirt on because I'm freezing. Give me a second and then I'll do an example for you. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to tell you about is just kind of what we did this past weekend just to get out of the house for a little bit. We were bored sitting around. We went over to Pipestone and Laverne. We kind of did a big circle trip, hit up some state parks around the area. So if you look at over here, we got this picture. This is at Pipestone National Monument. That's my daughter Nora kind of walking around. They had some pretty cool cliffs and rocks there. Here I am with Nora, kind of just exploring around. She was climbing over everything. They had a waterfall there. It's a smaller park, but it's pretty cool if you get the chance to go see it. It's not like a huge state park. It'd probably only take you about an hour to walk around the whole thing, which we did. But then we made our way down to Laverne, which has a bigger state park called Blue Mound State Park. That one's mostly prairie land, prairie grass fields, but it did have something pretty awesome. It had about a 100-foot cliff, a 100-foot quarry, where if you look at this picture here, you can't really tell how high it is. I had a video, but it would not embed into the explain everything app that I used to make these videos. But it was pretty cool to see how high it was, but it's pretty sweet, about 10 stories up. I went right over to the edge there, kind of freaked myself out by looking over it. And then also one of the other big attractions at Blue Mound State Park is that they have a bunch of buffalo roaming free. So there's my daughter talking to the buffalo. So that's what we did this weekend, but I'm going to go outside and kind of show you what I've been doing around the house during quarantine, keep myself busy. So I'll meet you outside. Alright, we're outside the back of my house now. My first project during the quarantine was, you can see all this stuff above me and these posts here along my overhang. Well, I had to get going. It looked like crap. All the white paint was chipping, so it took me a couple days, but I painted all of that. That's my first project. Alright, next project. We're in my backyard here. In no way a gardener by any means, but one of the projects I needed to do was to plant a new blueberry bush, which here it is. Yep. Doesn't look like much now, but I had to dig about 3 feet deep in there to get an old bush that was out. I plan to use that. If you see behind me, that's a grapevine, and then I got a raspberry bush back there. Basically, I've been planting them to make sure that we don't go broke from buying my daughter Nora a bunch of raspberries and blueberries because she eats them like crazy. So we figured might as well have a bush on hand. So hopefully that one gets us some blueberries this year, but next year for sure. I also did some landscaping work alongside the garage there. Alright, that's just going to be some flowers and rock area. But nothing big on that one. And then getting to our next big thing that we did, I'm going to head over to the outside of the garage, so I'll meet you there in a second. Now the next big thing we did was that, having a kid, I had a little car, and that wasn't enough room for me. So we ended up having to go to S&S Motors over in Cortland, a little past New Ulm. And we got ourselves an SUV to give us a little bit more room. Now, if you look behind the SUV, there you'll see my garage, and that's my next project today, because if you don't know how garage doors work, well, they are supposed to go up and down, and this morning, mine is not going up and down anymore. So, that's my next project for today. I'm going to see if I can not kill myself by trying to fix that. And then our last project over here, we got our little garden going. We have some green beans and cucumbers sprouting already. But yeah, so please just let me know what you guys have been up to. I want to see your face, hear your voice. Have fun with it. Doesn't need to be anything special. Doesn't need to be as long as mine. But yeah, I just want to see you guys. So thanks. Have a good one.